My name is Charles Raudat. I'm a cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon at HCA Florida West Hospital. I'm very passionate about what I do because at the same time it is the most humbling yet rewarding profession a person can do. Patients are referred to me generally by cardiologists and pulmonologists and oncologists. Given that my specialty is taking care of patients with heart disease, I do coronary artery bypass grafting. I repair valves or replace valves. I also do thoracic oncology and take care of cancer patients. I also do a fair amount of aortic surgery. I specialize in diseases of the large blood vessels that originate inside the chest and come off of the heart. I think when patients come to see me, I want to deliver a clear, concise message to them, and I want to be able to relate to them so they understand in terms that don't seem foreign or scientific, but more in a layman's term. So when I'm describing a complex operation, when they leave my office, they truly have a full grasp of what I'm going to do, and they understand the risks and they understand the benefits. They also understand the alternatives. When I take care of a patient, I'm just part of a big team, and every patient is a member of my team, and every person who's on my team has a voice in the care of that patient. We all recognize how important our heart is. We recognize how important our lungs are. And we know if they don't work, we're not going to live well. And part of my job is to put myself in their shoes every day. The most rewarding part of my job is the next day. I can do a very complex, extensive operation, and then the next day I walk in and that patient is smiling at me. And that makes getting up every day worth doing. Knowing that this person has been given another lease on life, and you meet them and they're petrified and they're scared, and part of my job is to convey to them that they're going to be okay. Be realistic with them, but let them know we're going to get through this. We don't do things unless we think we can get through it, and everybody's going to work together. And that following day, when they're awake and they're sitting up in the chair and they're smiling, it makes getting up every day worth doing.